This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Relax on your screened patio and enjoy the waterfront view. This lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan home has plenty of room for the entire family to stretch out. Huge open kitchen, fully equipped, with lots of counter space and breakfast bar. Indoor laundry room. Formal living and dining rooms also work great as home offices. Carpet-free house with beautiful flooring throughout. Home is equipped with accordion hurricane shutters all around, a sprinkler system on a well, is wired for a security system, and has a smart garage door opener. Lawn care included in rent. Very desirable neighborhood, close to Viera shopping/dining, I-95 for easy commute to Orlando or Melbourne, short ride to the beaches and river. Don't miss this well-maintained house. Make it your fabulous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.